In front of me is OPPO Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by clicking on Photos app and deciding if you want to delete your photos from Photos or Albums section at the bottom. It's actually a huge difference. Let's start with Photos. Hold one and select multiple by tapping on those icons at the top right corners. To keep some of those photos, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use the delete button at the bottom. So when I do that, and hit delete, I can see that all of my pictures were successfully deleted. If you want to delete your photos from Albums section, click on it, pick your album, and hold one of your pictures. This time though, all you need to do is tap on Select All at the top right corner, tap on photos you wanna keep, and get rid of the rest by tapping Delete at the bottom and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!